Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using Love What You Do, and we are going to be making this cute little friendship card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and I have a piece of Whisper White, and I'm going to get my mint macaron. And we are using the Love What You Do, and we're going to use I'm Lucky to Have a Friend Like You. And I have that mounted on clear block C, or D rather. And I'm just going to put it right here in the middle. All right, now I'm going to bring in the Big Shot. And I have the second to the largest oval from the stitched framelits. And then I have a piece of Tranquil Tide, and I'm using the stitched labels for this one. All right, so we can start putting this card together. My card base is mint macaron, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. And then my layering piece is Tranquil Tide, and that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have a piece of the Share What You Love Designer Series paper, and that's cut at 3 3/4 by 5. All right, and I'm going to take this sentiment, put some snail on it. And there's a couple of pieces didn't cut out. All right, I think that's good. And I'm going to pop that up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And I'm going to place that in the middle. And I'm going to come in with my paper piercer, and I have the Share What You Love pearls. And I'm going to get these little green ones. And I just want to put them here on the ends. Just like that. All right, so here is a quick and simple card for a friend of yours. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you need any of these supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!